SHANHE Machine, expert of one-stop automatic post-press equipment, aiming at the high lamination requirements and colorful box and carton. We diligently developed the world's most advanced high-end after-printing equipment, which are also suitable for our national conditions. Nationally, we launched the first 14,800 pieces per hour high-speed fluent laminator and got high praise. Our main products include high-speed fluent laminator, automatic cardboard laminator, film laminator, deep embossing die cutter, hot foil stamping machine, automatic die cutter, UV coating machine, varnishing and calendaring all in one machine, and high-speed varnishing machine. SHANHE Machine sets up the first national mass assembling plant of high-speed fluent laminator. We have a specially assigned person to be responsible for the process from assembling to running test in order to be Excelsior. Over 20 years, every SHANHE people inherits the idea of integrity first, being pioneer, people-oriented, and customer upmost, so that to provide good service for each client and build a first-class brand.